The biggest sign before you know that you're about to make it is when it's the only thing that you can think about to the point where you can't even sleep at night. Like literally being so obsessed with the thought of getting rich that it's the only thing that you think about. You're not thinking about girls anymore. You're not thinking about your family, which sounds bad to say. You're not thinking about going out with your friends. The only thing that you care about and the only thing that you want and the only thing that lies within your mind is the thought of getting rich. And a lot of people ignore this. Like you have these thoughts for a reason and then you're just gonna go waste it and you're not gonna actually put in the work and you're not gonna actually like try to actually get your mind to believe that you already are rich. Because the key to getting rich is actually having your subconscious believe that you are already that person.
The biggest sign that proves who's gonna get rich and who's not gonna get rich is if the person cannot stop thinking about getting rich. If they are so obsessed with the thought of getting rich and they do not know why, and it started at a very young age, they will get rich, and I'll tell you why. Use me as an example. I was never born around money. No one had nice cars, no one had nice houses, no watches, no jewelry, just nothing nice in general. For whatever reason, I was still obsessed with wanting to get rich. I would see myself having those things, but no one in my family was rich, so why did I want it? What I'm trying to say is, like, since I was so obsessed with it at such a young age, I think that obsession turns you into someone who you can get anything you want out of life when you become obsessed with something, because at the end of the day, obsession will always beat skill and talent, because you will find to win, you'll find just any way to win at all, and any way to strategize to put you in the best spot to where you can win when you are obsessed with something.
My biggest problem is that I believe that I will be rich one day. No matter what happens, I will be rich one day. So my spending habits are of somebody who is already rich. Because I've convinced myself that I'm going to be rich. I don't know how, I don't know when. But I tap that card like I've already got the money in my account. So I never actually have anything in my account, but I believe one day I will have a lot in my account. So I'm never going to stop spending. Instead of actually adapting to my situation, I've adapted to the situation that I see myself in 10 years. And this is a real problem, but I'm not going to stop.
Most people don't realize you don't become rich exactly when the money hits your bank, but you become rich once your mind becomes rich. Think about it like this. If you poured $1 million into the mind of someone who thinks small, it's the same thing as pouring water into a cup that has a small crack in it. You will simply not be able to maintain the amount of money that you have, therefore you will not become rich. And this is literally the same exact reason why people that always win the lottery always go broke. So that's why before you actually get rich, you need to become rich in the mind first, or everything will just fall apart. And being rich in the mind isn't about just thinking about materialistic desires, but it's about adopting the characteristics that the rich person has. So if you can adopt a stronger vision, it will simply just increase the desire for you to accomplish every little thing that you want in your life.
You gotta understand, there's 700,000 people who became millionaires last year, just in the United States, bro. Think about those 700,000 people. You don't think at least one of them were in the same predicament you are right now? You may feel lost. You may be seeing other people your age get money. You may feel like your time is running out. Though one of those people has felt that way last year, and now they are millionaires in their dream cars, in their dream houses, flying across the world. You're gonna get rich, bro. You're going to make it. You have to stop stressing. The average person your age, bro, is literally owing their life away. What makes you think you won't get rich? You gotta understand, bro, I was literally probably in the same predicament of a lot of y'all of 2024. I just graduated high school. I didn't know where to start, and I eventually just kept going with MEO. And now I'm a millionaire at 19 years old.
What you put your energy towards, and the more attention you give something, the more something will become reality. So if there's a problem in your life, the more attention and energy that you put into it, the problem will become bigger. So if it's for getting rich, the more attention and the more energy you put into it, you will get rich. That's why it is the biggest sign, if you are obsessed with getting rich for whatever reason, that you will be rich. But I always wonder myself, like, why was I the one that wanted to get rich and like saw myself getting rich when no one in my family, like ever in my history of my DNA, has never had that desire at all? Sometimes, like, I just want to think to myself, like, damn, I'm special. I was chosen, and I don't know. I think that's why I got rich in the first place. I felt like I was chosen. I felt like I was special. I was so obsessed. And if you were obsessed too, you will get rich very soon.
If you're between 15 and 25 and all you can think about is money, success, power, and living this life that you know that a lot of people never will, and sometimes you feel like you're going crazy because nobody else thinks the same way you do, then this message is for you. At some point, you've probably looked around and thought, why does nobody live the life that they want? Everybody wants to be successful. Everybody wants freedom, but their actions do not reflect that. They continuously spend their days living in comfort by scrolling or complaining or doing the bare minimum. And that's when you start wondering if you are the weird one for thinking bigger. But here's the truth. The reason that you cannot stop thinking about it and you cannot wrap your head around how other people are not thinking about it is because they were not meant to do it. Everyone has a voice telling them what path to go down, but there needs to be a clear cutoff of people who actually listen to this voice and others that just suppress it. If there was no filtering system to weed out the people that were never meant to win, then winning would have no value. In the end, most people ignore this voice, but the people who end up listening to this voice are the ones that are going to end up living the life that everyone else talks about.
You led yourself down that path, and obviously, yes, you could change and you can get rich, but the outer world is a direct manifestation of our inner state. Every single thing that is going through your head, I don't care if it's a bad thought, a good thought, it all matters. And if a thought lasts longer than 10 seconds, that is going to manifest. So anytime you get some sort of negative thought or some sort of limiting belief, you have to say no. And trust me, it actually works. Like, all battles are won in the mind.
You know you're going to be rich when you've reached a moment in your life that it's all that you think about. You can't sleep at all. You can't eat at all. You can't do anything. The only thing you're obsessed with is the idea of you becoming successful. The only thing you're obsessed with is how are you going to retire your parents? How are you going to be a millionaire? How are you going to be in Miami? How are you going to own a penthouse? When you're stuck in that idea, in that flow state in which you cannot fail and you can't imagine yourself failing, because it's all that you think about, that's how you know you're going to make it. School doesn't matter, family doesn't matter, friends don't even matter, nothing matters. The only thing that matters is how you're gonna get from point A to point B.
If you pretend you're rich, you'll be rich. And then you just start doing rich things. Send this to yourself if you believe you're gonna be rich. And here's another one as well. When you stop listening to broke ass people and average people, like when you just stop listening to anybody other than yourself or someone who literally has the path and has done what you want to do. Here's the thing, if you don't have the mindset and the discipline for it, you're going to fail, just like in day trade. But you know what's crazy? When people say gambling is bad, you know that 90%, I think it's like 95% of businesses absolutely fail. Do you know almost every restaurant that starts up, they don't make it a decade, like they fail within the first few years. I mean, it's almost 99%. How about how 60% of marriages fail? That's a gamble. I'm just telling you, you can manifest your dream life if that's what you focus on. But the problem is, like, this world, everything right now going on, they want you to be so afraid. They want you to be miserable. It's crazy to see how many videos people do where they're like, I don't want to be here anymore. How can we even function? You have it better than every king and emperor and queen for literally all, like, the dawn of time.
Like, you have these thoughts for a reason, and then you're just gonna go waste it, and you're not gonna actually put in the work, and you're not gonna actually like try to actually get your mind to believe that you already are rich. Because the key to getting rich is actually having your subconscious believe that you are already that person. But the problem is, like, everyone is obsessed with getting rich, but then they waste those thoughts and they go with their friends. They go try to find girls, and girls are cool. Like, I love women, but you have to make it, and then you can focus on those things. When you're in the stage where you're still obsessed over getting rich, it should be the only thing that you think about and the only thing that you put your energy towards. That's when you actually get rich. So do not let your thoughts go to waste. If it's the only thing in your mind, have it be the only thing in your mind. Don't go out, sacrifice a little bit of your fun, and then you'll actually make it.
You only need to get rich once, so you might as well work as hard as you can to get it done as fast as you can. The fastest way to attract what you want in life is to deserve it by doing so much work it becomes unreasonable not to achieve it. Do so much work, it would be unreasonable that you fail. The seat at the table is yours if you want it.
No human will ever get more than 24 hours per day. Everything that you spend your time on that is not you pursuing your goal, you are determining is more important than your goal. If you look at what you did every single one of these hours, and then you actually surface it and say, you know what? Watching Netflix, doom scrolling TikTok and Instagram, that is what's actually more important to you. Is it really a sacrifice to give that up for what you want?
I've never met someone that gives everything their all, their mind, their action, and commitment, and they fail. Think about that. Whenever you've actually done 100%, you've given 100%, you've given all of your energy, your time, your commitment, when have you failed? And if you did, it was an uncontrollable. Someone screwed you over in business, someone cheated on you, those are uncontrollables. But you know you did everything you could in your power, and that energy, that commitment showed for it. Because risk was an illusion at that point.
You need to do so much work that it would be unreasonable for you not to succeed in life. I tell people this all the time. There's a law called Parkinson's Law, which suggests that everything that needs to get done will get done by the time of a deadline if you truly set that deadline for yourself, okay? What does that mean? If you just decrease the deadline, make it sooner, you are going to achieve more. Why? Because your brain will become more motivated and you will start doing the actions that are necessary to complete the task in the allotted amount of time.
God is testing you to see if you're going to take action. Because I promise you, the reason why I'm making over $20,000 in a single month is not because I just tried once and I won. No, I've failed hundreds and hundreds of business models. I've tried more than you can even fucking imagine because I truly wanted it more than you. You failed one time, maybe 5 times, maybe 10 times, but you gave up. Rather with me, I didn't give up. I've been trying and trying and trying ever since I was 16 years old, and I finally found some success. And the reason why I'm making this video is because you keep seeing these types of videos. These people, these guys 20, 21, 23 years old, living the life that you want. Rather, you don't have it. And why do you think you don't have it? It's because you don't deserve it.